Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today is a very special day because I'm spending a lot of time with myself and thinking about it because I'm just planning a vision board for myself for this upcoming year, and I'm really very excited for this year. So I am planning a vision board because I have heard it a lot about on social media. So I thought of trying it, and it's my first vision board. So basically, what's a vision board? It basically gives you a visual representation of the goals that you are going to accomplish all around it through the year, and it basically includes the main goals that you are dealing with it. It defines कि आपके गोल्स क्या हैं और आप क्या क्या एक्शंस उसको लेंगे ताकि आप उसको अचीव कर सकें। सबसे पहले जैसे कि अगर आपकी प्रायोरिटी हेल्थ, वेल्थ या रिलेशनशिप जो भी है, आप उसे एक नोटबुक पे राइट डाउन करें और फिर उसके लिए आपको जो जो एक्शंस यू नीड टू टेक आपको वो लिखने हैं उसके अंदर। फिर उसके बाद जब आप लिख देंगे तो फिर उसके बाद आपको उससे रिलेटेड कुछ फोटोग्राफ्स या फिर कोड्स दैट इज रिलेटेड टू दैट टॉपिक यू नीड टू फिगर इट आउट एंड यू कैन डू ईजिली ऑन इट ऑन पिंटरेस्ट। आपको उससे रिलेटेड एस्थेटिक पिक्चर्स मिल जाएंगी एंड कोड्स ऑल्सो। फिर उसके बाद सेकेंड पॉइंट इज व्हाट इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ विजन बोर्ड। विजन बोर्ड की इम्पोर्टेंस ये है कि इट गिव्स यू विजुअल रिप्रेजेंटेशन अबाउट योर गोल्स। अगर आप डेली डेली उस चीज़ को देखेंगे एंड यू आर गोइंग टू मैनिफेस्ट, बिकॉज अगर आप उस चीज़ को लिख रहे हैं या फिर आप उस चीज़ को अपने सामने रखने की हिम्मत करें, दैट मीन्स इट्स नॉट इम्पॉसिबल एंड यू कैन अचीव इट। मैनी पीपल आर गोइंग टू just demotivate you, but you just have to keep motivation in yourself. Point we are going to cover up is how to make your vision board. Firstly, you need to clearly write it down what the goals that you are going to achieve this upcoming year. You can write it down on your diary, and firstly just prioritize your things that you are going to do। और उसके बाद द मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज डू नॉट कंपेयर योर गोल्स एंड एक्शंस विद एनी अदर पर्सन। Everybody has its own belief and priorities, and it's okay to be get prioritize your things according to your belief. So do after clearly defining your priorities and your goals, what you need to do is just go on any social media platform or Pinterest. I prefer Pinterest. So just take a printout of all these pictures that are related to your goals. It's really quite nice and it's really very simple and easy to use. So let's start to just organize all the pictures and quotes. Just take A4 size sheet to arrange all those pictures. So let's make and just start.
Let's go.
Add this, take a glimpse of all the things that I'm using to make my vision board. Firstly, take out the printout of all the images and quotes that you need to. And second is just take a A4 size sheet. I'm just taking a chart to just convert it in the desired ratio. And of course, your goals diary and some little bit of colors to enhance your creativity. पांचवी क्लास के बाद कभी ड्राइंग नहीं की, so let's do now. Or of course a little bit of snacks. So just let's start now. What you need to do is just firstly take your pictures and cut it into your desired shape that you want to give it out. So let's start now. Then I cut all the pictures one by one and then I arranged them accordingly. You can divide the chart in four portions. Let's say the first portion goes to your priority health, the second one for your mental health, the third one is for your lifestyle, and fourth one is for your relationship or wealth education. And also don't paste the pictures directly on the sheet, otherwise if some corrections are to be made, so you can just arrange them and then paste it accordingly. Thought of do a little bit of creativity in it. And I think it's sufficient and do not need to add on anything now. It was all fun and really happy. Just look at this.
Wow.
It's really so good. and I'm really very happy that I made it for myself. कितना अच्छा लगता है खुद के लिए कुछ करके, और जब क्रिएटिविटी और पैशन जब साथ में मिल जाता है तो इट गिव्स अ लॉट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस टू यू. So it was a great experience and you should try this too. Let me know in the comment box about the goal that you have achieved in the last year, that you have manifested it and worked upon it. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel. And one more important thing is, just fix this vision board where it is daily visible to you and it gives you enough motivation when you feel suppressed. And I hope you like this video. See you in the next video.